Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we delve deep into the official specifications, anticipated release date, and projected pricing of the Garmin Forerunner 975. Welcome to a complete and in-depth breakdown of the Garmin Forerunner 975, a next-generation GPS multisport smartwatch that's capturing the attention of serious athletes, runners, cyclists, swimmers, and fitness enthusiasts around the globe. If you're passionate about performance, metrics, and pushing your limits with the most advanced training tools, this comprehensive guide is for you. In this video, we're going to cover every single aspect of the Forerunner 975, from cutting-edge health features to training readiness insights, long battery life, GPS accuracy, and smart living enhancements. A new era for fitness watches. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. Designed for those who demand high-performance tracking, deep health analytics, advanced training metrics, and rugged reliability, this watch blends innovation with practicality. Whether you're an endurance athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the Forerunner 975 is engineered to adapt, guide, and optimize your performance. Sleek design and high-resolution AMOLED display. One of the standout changes in the Forerunner 975 is the upgraded 1.4-inch AMOLED display. Offering a stunning 454 by 454 pixel resolution, the screen is bright, colorful, and incredibly responsive. It's readable in direct sunlight and offers an always-on display (AOD) mode. Perfect for those who want constant access to vital data without needing to tap or raise the watch. With a lightweight fiber-reinforced polymer case and an optional titanium bezel, the Forerunner 975 feels premium yet durable. Weighing in at just about 55 grams, it's incredibly comfortable for all-day wear, including while running, sleeping, or swimming. Next-level health and wellness features. ECG monitoring. One of the biggest additions is the inclusion of ECG, electrocardiogram, functionality. This health tool allows users to record and analyze heart rhythms, making it easier to detect irregularities such as atrial fibrillation. With the ability to share results via Garmin Connect, this feature takes the Forerunner 975 from a fitness tracker to a personal health companion. Elevate V5 heart rate sensor. Garmin's new Elevate V5 optical heart rate sensor brings superior accuracy across a range of activities. Whether you're doing steady-state cardio, HIIT workouts, or interval training, heart rate monitoring is now more precise than ever. It also tracks resting heart rate, stress levels, and daily heart rate trends. Blood oxygen monitoring, pulse oximeter. For those training at altitude or interested in sleep health, the continuous SpO2 tracking is invaluable. Monitor your oxygen saturation levels throughout the day and night to detect potential issues like sleep apnea or poor recovery. HRV and Recovery Insights. Heart rate variability. HRV tracking allows you to understand your stress levels, recovery status, and training readiness. With morning HRV summaries, you'll know when to push your limits and when to rest and recover. Sleep tracking and sleep score. Get a complete breakdown of your night's rest with detailed tracking of light, deep, and REM sleep stages. Coupled with your oxygen saturation data and movement analysis, the Forerunner 975 gives you a holistic sleep score every morning to help you improve recovery. Over 60-plus sport modes with real-time metrics. Whether you're into running, trail running, cycling, swimming, open water and pool, skiing, strength training, or yoga, the Forerunner 975 has you covered. With over 60 sport profiles and fully customizable data screens, you can tailor your watch to match your activity. Running features power, wrist-based, now accessible directly from the watch without the need for external sensors. Race Predictor 2.0. More accurate predictions for 5K, 10K, half marathon and marathon events. Pace Pro and Virtual Partner. Plan pacing strategies for your runs based on course elevation and your past performance. Cycling tools track metrics like cadence, speed, elevation, and power via sensors, with high GPS accuracy. Triathlon and multisport. Switch seamlessly between sports with one button press. Ideal for triathletes needing quick transitions. Training and performance tools. Training readiness score, combining metrics like sleep quality, HRV, recovery time, and training load. This score tells you whether today is a good day to push your limits or focus on recovery. Adaptive training plans and AI coaching. Whether you're aiming for a race or trying to build general fitness, the AI-driven training suggestions adapt based on your activity levels, recovery, and goals. Recovery Time Advisor. After intense workouts, the watch calculates how long you need to rest based on your exertion, HRV, and stress levels. VO2 max estimations. See your aerobic performance improve over time with real-time VO2 max estimates based on heart rate and pace. Precision GPS and navigation capabilities. The Forerunner 975 features multi-band GNSS and SATIC for industry-leading GPS accuracy. Whether you're running in a city, hiking in the mountains, or cycling through a forest, you'll get accurate tracking thanks to support for GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. Topographic maps and navigation. Preloaded topo maps. Includes full-color maps for hiking, skiing, and golfing to turn-by-turn navigation. Never get lost again with step-by-step directions. Climb Pro 2.0. Visualize upcoming elevation changes, distance, and grade during your hike or ride. Next Fork alerts. Stay informed about trail splits and intersections in real time. Track back and back to start. Great for outdoor runners or cyclists who want a safety net during new routes. Battery life and charging. Impressive battery longevity. Smartwatch mode. Up to 18 days. GPS mode. Up to 60 hours. Ultra track mode. Up to 150 hours. Solar charging option. Choose the solar edition for extended battery life. The Power Glass lens converts sunlight into energy to keep your watch running longer. Wireless Qi charging. A long-awaited feature. The Forerunner 975 ditches the proprietary charger in favor of Qi wireless charging. More convenient and universal. LTE connectivity and smartwatch features. Optional. LTE. Leave your phone behind with built-in LTE. Optional. Stay connected for live tracking, safety alerts, and more. Music and payments. Offline music storage. Store up to 2,000 songs. Streaming. Spotify, Amazon Music, and Deezer support. Garmin Pay. Make contactless payments right from your wrist. Smart notifications. Receive call, text, calendar, and app alerts when paired with your smartphone. Compatible with both iOS and Android. Advanced safety tools. Built-in LED flashlight. Hands-free lighting for night runs or emergencies. Fall detection and emergency alerts. Automatically alerts your emergency contacts with your location. Morning report. Start your day with insights on recovery, sleep, weather, and suggested workouts. T combines deep performance analytics with modern smartwatch features, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to bridge the gap between hardcore training and daily convenience. With ECG, LTE, solar charging, AMOLED display, wireless charging, and AI-based training plans, this watch sets a new benchmark. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and wearable breakdowns.